Why I quit using 10 apps and stuck with these 4 tools that work together. When I first started my online business, I thought success was about hustling harder. I downloaded every must-have app people recommended. One for funnels, one for emails, another for payments, and yet another for design. Before I knew it, I was juggling more tools than I could count. My browser looked like a game of tab Tetris. Every time I tried to build something simple, something broke. The integrations failed, the automations glitched, and I spent more time troubleshooting than creating. I was exhausted, broke, and honestly, ready to quit. I didn't want to become a tech expert. I just wanted freedom. Time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. Then I realized the problem wasn't me. It was the chaos of using tools that didn't speak the same language. So I simplified. I stripped everything down to what actually worked. And that decision saved my sanity and my business. Let me show you the 4 tools that now keep my entire digital business running smoothly, with zero tech overwhelm. Tool number 1, Systeme.io. This is the backbone of my business. Funnels, websites, email marketing, automations, all in one platform. No need to buy multiple subscriptions or hire a tech team. Systeme.io replaced tools like ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, and Kajabi for me, all in one dashboard. If you're just starting, this tool alone will save you hours and hundreds of dollars each month. You can grab my link in the description below. Tool number 2, Stan Store. Think of this as your personal digital storefront. I use it to sell all my courses, guides, and affiliate offers, all from one simple link. You can add payment links, digital downloads, and even connect it to Systeme.io. It's made for creators and entrepreneurs who want to keep things simple but professional. Grab your free trial in my link in the description below. TTPS, join, Stan, store, Chillstar, 08, tool number 3, SendShark. This one's for my email list. SendShark makes sending emails and building pages so beginner-friendly. No complicated setup, no coding. I started with 0 subscribers and built a loyal community fast because SendShark made it easy to automate and nurture relationships. You can get the link in the description below. Tool number 4, LeadsLeap. This one's a hidden gem. LeadsLeap gives you free traffic. Yes, real people seeing your content. Plus a funnel builder that rivals paid platforms. It's perfect if you're just starting and don't have an ad budget yet. Join free in the link in the description. These 4 tools completely changed how I run my business. I stopped chasing every new shiny app and focused on creating systems that work together. Now my business runs on autopilot. And I have the peace of mind I was chasing all along. You don't need to master everything. You just need the right tools that talk to each other. Simplify your setup, trust the process, and let your systems create space for your peace. All the links are in the description below. Go check them out and start building your business the simple way. Pause. I'm Chillstar08, helping everyday people build digital freedom one system at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're ready to simplify your setup today.